Not every day is perfect for fishing. But what's your alternative? It's raining, you have rain gear, get out there and try it. Hey, the worst that could happen is you go home. But at least you give yourself a chance of catching a fish, having a good time, being outdoors. Maybe even a friend might come over. So let's give it a try. Like I said, the worst that could happen is you get sick and tired of it. The fish aren't biting. The scenery isn't all that great. Pack up, go home, take a nap, and watch TV. See ya. It's been a while since I've been to this location. Usually I've been fishing from the kayak, but today it is pouring. So I figured I had a few hours. Let me try for some flatheads. Let's see what happens. Flatheads are not biting, so what I'm going to do is chum the area with corn all the way across. Holy smoke. He ran with that in the middle of the river. Hope I get him back.
I didn't realize I had a fish until I looked down and seen the reel spinning.
Oh man. Go on this side. You know how the carp do. They go right for the bank. We'll fool you. Why he's got to run that far? Oh, he's coming in, he's coming in. He's coming in. He's coming in. He's coming in fast. Okay. He's coming in fast.
I was surprised. The fish didn't give me much of a fight after the run.
Come on, come to the bank. Come to the bank. Okay, you're doing fine. So far so good, he didn't tangle up any other lines. Nice. He was out there. I love the way they get hooked. Well, and that's how you do it on this rainy day. July 11th.
If I didn't catch this carp, I would have been skunked.
Pretty looking fish. Let's let him go. Well, it might not be a flathead, but damn it, I got this guy for the July 11th in this crazy day. Thunderstorms, lightning, you name it. Let's see him go. Let's see, let's let him go where it's safe for him and me. This looks like a nice spot. Okay, calm down. Come on, everybody wants to see you swim off. I don't think he knows he's released. Watch when he does. When he realizes that he's released.
I am a fisherman. I like to catch anything that swims in the water.
He's beginning to realize nothing is holding him back. He had a long run all the way across the river. Okay, he's ready to be caught again. You hear that thunder? Here we go again. Okay. Hey, even I know when to quit. Heading home, I'll be home in a half an hour.